Hi everyone, welcome to Guide Up YouTube channel. Today, for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to create a Spotify account. So for that, open a Google browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in spotify.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page of Spotify. Here on this official web page, you need to click on sign up at the right side of your window screen. Click that. You can create a Spotify account through Facebook or Google as well. If you click on sign up with Facebook, sign up with Google, your account will be easily created through all those details. But here we're gonna go with the process of email. So type in the email over here. Below, you need to confirm your email address. So you copy this email address for here and type in over here. This will confirm it. Now type in the password. What should we call you? You need to provide a name that you want to be displayed on your Spotify. And below, you type in your date of birth. Choose your gender. And then you need to tick mark over here. At the end, click on I'm not robot and then click on sign up. So this is how you can create a Spotify account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.